visit the consciences of Mr. Lobo and Mrs. Lobo. And there was a meeting, and where all Panchayat members, I talked to them. Very happy, and distributed Rajabhav's financial aid to 20 patients there. I'm very happy, very good. And they sincerely arranged everything. I'm thankful to them. And I visited this church because our lady MLA insisted me to come. I accepted it. It's a great church because the history lies here. And I am very happy to see all these things. And Father prayed for me also. I'm thankful to them. And our country's motto about 5,000, 6,000 years back is Sarva, Dharma, Bhava. So all religions are Ekam Sat Vipra Buddha. Various ways are there, but ultimately it is reaching that same truth, some ocean or something. So there is no difference in my mind. So that is why I prayed Shanta Durga temple morning, now in this church. And Almighty may give peace and prosperity to the people of Goa, our country, and all of us. Thank you.
So, the Goa is known as a great heritage as well as a communal harmony. So,
yes, communal harmony is there. That is why the Common Civil Code under Article 44 of the Constitution is not a dead letter here. So implemented Hindus, Muslims, Christians, and the cordial relationship between the people is a classic example of Sarva, Dharma, Samabhava. That is why I am visiting all the religious centers, irrespective of caste, creed, or any category of worship. That is our tradition. So love is the language. So convey love. Heart-to-heart relationship, everybody will be the way out for the development of the country.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.